How to fix Google Chrome's slow download speed. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is restart Chrome. Close all the Chrome tabs, exit the Chrome completely from your device. Now once done so, simply the second basic method is to check your internet connection. Drag down the internet connection from the top right corner of your screen and check your internet speed. Restart your Wi-Fi router or contact your ISP as well, because it might be an issue with Wi-Fi too, so check it before you follow this process. After that, open the Google Chrome, then tap on the three dot icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, all you have to do is you will get to see delete browsing data option available there. Simply tap on it and confirm the delete data. Then it will delete all your cache inside the Google, which might be causing this issue. Old cache files can slow down the downloads. Now go back to the home screen and tap on the App Store option available there. Now inside App Store, search for the Google Chrome and hit enter. Now again, once done so, tap on the Google Chrome from the list, and if there is an update available, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Old versions can have bugs causing slow speeds. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.